Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss about oxides of nitrogen. Students, the oxides of nitrogen are basically like N2O3, it may be N2O4, it may be N2O5, that is nitrogen and oxygen combined together in different proportions. Okay, students, in your board exam this portion comes under short notes, that is it may ask that describe the oxides of nitrogen. Okay, so students, for this you have to know about the structure and method of preparation of all the oxides of nitrogen. So students, here in this diagram you can see basically we will firstly talk about the oxides and their oxidation number. So you can see here the very first oxide, that is N2O, its oxidation number is +1, that is oxidation number of nitrogen is +1, and it is prepared through NH4NO3, that is thermal decomposition, then we get N2O. Talking about its properties, so it is colorless, unreactive gas with pungent odor, and it causes laughing hysteria. Talking about its structure, students, so you can see here it can be shown through N triple bond NO. Okay, and as here it is triple bond, bond length will be 113 picometer, and in case of NO the bond length is 119 picometer. Similarly, students, we will see the oxide like nitric oxide, in which oxidation of number of nitrogen is +2, and it can be formed by reaction of dinitrogen and oxygen at 300 Kelvin, resulting in formation of nitric oxide. Students, this is also colorless, but nitric oxide is a reactive gas. Okay, talking about its structure, students, so it can be represented through N double bond O. Okay, and talking about the distribution of electron, so you can distribute the electron in this manner: 1 2 3 4 5 6, and also for nitrogen 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, students, talking about the next oxide, that is nitrogen dioxide. So nitrogen dioxide, in nitrogen dioxide the oxidation number of nitrogen is +4, and it can be prepared by reaction of nitric oxide with oxygen, resulting in formation of nitrogen dioxide. Students, nitrogen dioxide is a brown reactive gas with pungent odor. Okay, and it dimerizes to form N2O4. So here you can see the preparation of two oxides of nitrogen. One is nitrogen dioxide, and second is N2O4. Okay, talking about structure of NO2, so there is a double bond and there is a coordinate bond O. Okay, and bond angle is 134 degree. Now students, let's talk about N2O3. Students, in this case oxidation state of nitrogen is +3, and It is also formed via the action of nitric oxide, and it reacts with N2O4 at 250 Kelvin to give N2O3. This is dark blue, okay, in liquid, or it may be pale blue in solid state. This is unstable gas. Talking about its structure, students, so there will be a N single bond N, then N double bond O. There will be a coordinate bond with nitrogen and oxygen. There will be one more double bond with nitrogen and oxygen. Now students, talking about the fifth one, that is N2O4. In case of N2O4, oxidation number of nitrogen is +4, and as earlier said, nitrogen dioxide polymerizes, or you can say dimerizes, to give N2O4. Nitrogen dioxide डाइमराइज, ये क्या करता है, डाइमर का फॉर्मेशन करता है, डाइमराइज कर जाता है और फिर क्या बना देता है, N2O4. ओके. Now students, the last oxide, that is N2O5. So here the oxidation number of nitrogen is +5, and it can be prepared via action of nitric acid over P2O5, and it results in formation of N2O5. This is colorless ionic solid. It can exist as NO2 plus, or it may exist as NO3 minus. It sublimes at 305 Kelvin to give gaseous molecule. Talking about its structure, students, so as one oxygen is increased, so there will be lone pair in case of oxygen, 2 lone pairs, and further bonds are with the nitrogen atom. Nitrogen atoms will be bonded to 2 oxygen atoms through a double and a coordinate bond. So one bond will be coordinate bond and one bond will be double bond. Okay. Talking about bond angle, so it is 112 degree. So students, as this question is asked in short note only, so you have to prepare only this much quantity. Here I have given separate preparations, properties. So talking about nitric oxide, we have seen earlier that it reacts with, or ammonium nitride is heated, or you can basically say thermal decomposition of ammonium nitride is done, resulting in formation of nitrous oxide. Okay. We have discussed about its property, that it is colorless, it is sweet smelling and soluble in water. Talking about its structure, so here is the Lewis representation. Okay. Students, if we are going to talk about the second one, that is nitric oxide, so as we have seen that nitric oxide can be formed simply reacting nitrogen, that is dinitrogen and oxygen, and it results in formation of nitric oxide. Okay. There may be some more processes, but remember the common one. After that, students, this reaction is important, that is nitric oxide may also be prepared by action of whole dilute nitric acid on copper turning. So copper turning is reacted with nitric acid, resulting in formation of copper nitrate and the major product, that is nitric oxide. Again properties, that is it is colorless and heavier than air. It is neutral towards litmus paper. Now students, talking about its structure, so here is the Lewis structure as earlier discussed also. Now students, talking about the dinitrogen trioxide, so as earlier said, nitric oxide react with N2O4 minus 23 degrees Celsius, result in formation of dinitrogen trioxide. Talking about its properties, so when we are going to say that brown colored gas, so basically we know the reaction of this brown colored gas. So N2O3 is a blue liquid and it forms brown colored gas, and brown colored gas, that is nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide. Here is the structure of N2O3. As earlier said, this may be asymmetric structure and this may be symmetric structure. You can draw anyone. Okay. Now students, talking about nitrogen dioxide or dinitrogen tetraoxide. So how it is prepared? As earlier said, nitrogen dioxide dimerizes to form dinitrogen tetraoxide, that is N2O4. Okay. Talking about its property, so it is brown colored, pungent smelling, and it is very toxic gas. Okay. Students, here is the structure of N2O4. Basically, firstly NO2's, that is nitrogen dioxide's structure, and its resonating structures is given here. After that you can see the structure of N2O4. Now students, let's talk about dinitrogen pentaoxide. So as earlier said, it can be formed by distillation at 300 Kelvin of nitric acid over P2O5. Okay, and here is the basic structure of N2O5. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Thank you class.